Baba Ramdev has apologized for a controversial poster of his close aide Balakrishna that was put up at the Ramlila Maidan at his agitation. Now, the poster showed the yoga guru's jailed aide being equated with heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Shahid Bhagat Singh, amongst others. Soon after the organizers realized that this could trigger a backlash, they hurriedly removed the posters. Balakrishna has been jailed in Dehradun in connection with a passport forgery case. His equation with men of such stature would not have gone down well, and hence the hurried correction from Ramdev supporters.
इनका मकसद कोई जनता का हित नहीं है, केवल और केवल अपने आप को महिमा मंडित करना और जनता के साथ खिलवाड़ करना। जनता को इनकी अब इनको लग रहा है कि राजनीति में ही आना चाहिए। पहले भी इन्होंने घोषणा की थी, अभी भी घोषणा करेंगे राजनीति में जाएंगे, तो उसी के एक ग्राउंड बना रहे हैं, उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं। ठीक है।
So Ramdev, of course, has apologized for this particular incident, clearly aware that sometimes discretion is the better part of valor. Balakrishna has been tainted in a passport forgery case, and his posters being equated with that of freedom fighters across the country would not have gone down too well with the masses, and those posters have been taken down. The organizers have apologized for the faux, and so has Ramdev himself. But those are the visuals of those posters that were put up at Ramlila Maidan earlier in the day, being taken down after some people cried foul when Balakrishna, a key aide of Ramdev, who has been booked in a passport forgery case, was there positioned, as you can see, with freedom fighters of the country, including Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, and there is Balakrishna in all his glory in that picture. Those posters, of course, have been taken down since this morning. Well, Baba Ramdev has apologized for the controversial poster of his close aide Balakrishna that was put up in Ramlila Maidan. The poster showed the Baba's jailed aide being equated with heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Shahid Bhagat Singh, amongst others. But the organizer realized that this could trigger a backlash. They hurriedly removed the posters. Later, Baba Ramdev has also apologized for the indiscretion.
कुछ कार्यकर्ताओं ने अपने शहीदों का सम्मान करते हुए कि जैसे उनको जेलों में सताया गया था, उनके ऊपर झूठे आरोप लगा करके राष्ट्रद्रोह से लेकर के डकैती चोरी से लेकर के हमारे महापुरुषों के ऊपर अलग अलग आरोप लगाए गए। मैं महापुरुषों से तुलना नहीं करता, श्रद्धेय आचार्य बालकृष्ण जी के हम तो उनके अनुगामी हैं, लेकिन महापुरुषों के रास्ते पर चलते हुए वो रामलीला मैदान में क्योंकि मेरे साथ थे, खड़े रहेंगे भी एक भजन और गाएंगे, क्योंकि रामलीला मैदान में मेरे साथ थे, इस अभियान में मेरे पिछले 25 वर्षों में साथ हैं, इसीलिए उनके ऊपर हाथ डाला गया और फर्जी पासपोर्ट का फर्जी मुकदमा उनके ऊपर चला करके श्रद्धेय आचार्य श्री को। देखिए, मैं मानता हूं